Hi everyone, I'm Lara, Director of Artistry for Lancôme Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve full lashes for summer and a quick bronze dye. So to start today I'm going to use the Belle de Tente and I'm using the shade 7. It's a really nice kind of dark chocolate colour, but it's got a kind of golden shimmer throughout the bronzer, so it works perfect for a summer eye. And I'm applying a little bit to a big fluffy brush, and just with the eyes open I'm just going to go in and start buffing a little bit through the socket of the eye. So now that I've mapped out the area that I want to apply the bronzer, I'm then going to stipple the rest over the mobile eyelid. So now I've completed the bronzed eye look, I'm going to jump in and apply 2 different colours of mascara. A tip that I'm loving at the moment is I like to use black on the top lashes, and then I like to use a brown on the bottom lashes. So the key focus is going to be those nice full lashes on the top. I'm going to be using the Hypnose mascara, which is great for custom volume. So if you want a nice natural look for day, you can just do 1 coat, which will give you 6 times volume. But if you want a nice dramatic lash for evening, you can just add another coat and you get 12 times volume. So I'm going to go in right at the root of the lash, and I like to apply the brush right here and do a little zigzag and then comb outwards. That way we get a nice voluminous lash but no clumpiness. This is the lash look with just 1 coat of Hypnose. Now I'm going to jump in and add a 2nd coat for 12 times more volume. And I like to add the volume slightly more in the outer corner, so it creates that illusion of more of an almond lifted eye. Now I'm going to jump in with the brown mascara, and I'm using the Hypnose Doll Eyes for that, which is a little bit more about lash separation and less volume. And I'm just going to do 1 coat to the bottom lashes so it's super natural.